Hello, in this video I want to show you how to rename your LENOVO AIO. And to do this you'll need to click on the Start, open the settings, find System, select About, and right here look for Rename this PC. And now in the computer description you'll be able to set a new name. And if you want to rename the computer or change its domain or work group, click on Change, and right here you can also set a different name, and this will be visible for this PC will be visible with this name in other networks. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.